we doing, guys? Welcome back to the Bonnet. And if you're after the best classic cocktails on YouTube that don't require unicorn tears or to make, then you've come to the right place. Just before we get to today's cocktail, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our random uploads. Buy that like button a pint and I'll see you over at the bar. Alright guys, today we're going to mix up a drink called an Angel Face, and I guess this is somewhat of a forgotten classic. You don't really see it around very much anymore. I don't know why. It's a great drink, interesting ingredients. This is from our old mate Harry Craddock and his 1930 Savoy cocktail book. A very, very simple drink, 3 ingredients, equal parts all liquor. Now Harry's original recipe had this as a shaken drink, which I'm sure is going to get some people's knickers in a twist because there's no juice in this. Probably the same type of people that think of dehydrated lime oil as a viable garnish for a cocktail, but let's not get into that. So for argument's sake, we're gonna shake one and stir one, and we'll have a little tasty taste at the end and decide which one's better. So I'll just grab a mixing glass from the freezer, and we'll start with our first ingredient, which is creme d'apricot. Like I said, equal parts. I'm gonna go 25 ml. Feel free to go 30 or an ounce, whatever you want. Next up, some gin. We're using the Dulaman stuff we had in the last video. It's really tasty. And last but not least, some Calvados. Leave that there for a minute, that should be fine. We'll go COUPE for the shaken, Nick and Nora for the stirred. Finish up with the orange zest. We'll discard those and then just an apple slice for a bit of colour. And there we go, guys. A shaken angel face and a stirred angel face. Let's try the shaken one first, as that's how Harry wanted it. Yeah, it does taste a little bit thin, I'm not going to lie. Probably overshook it slightly, but it's really tasty. You can taste everything in it. You can really get the apple and the apricot, and the gin really balances that well, just dries it out nicely. It's actually really tasty. It's actually not that thin. You could drink a few of those. All right, let's try the stirred one. quite different, much more spirit forward. Really interesting cocktail. I haven't had one for a while. I think I am leaning towards a shaker one. It's an easier drink. It's light. The flavours are all there. Could definitely drink a few of them. That I really like, but I'd probably just have one at the end of the night. So it's interesting, like two identical cocktails essentially, slight different preparation, quite different results for sort of different occasions. Not that surprising really, I suppose, but all right, you guys have a go and let me know what you think. Cheers. Oh, interesting, I picked up that one. Cheers. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed that. Let us know how you got on with that cocktail down in the comments, and be sure to tell us which version was your favourite. Give us a follow over on Instagram at Bonneville Cocktails, and tag us in all your cocktail photography using hashtag BonCocktails. Any bar and hospitality inquiries can be sent to hi@distilledtruth.co.uk. And all that's left for me to say is don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I'll see you next time. But tosser. Make sure you don't forget to tell us. Oh, me. All right, guys, let us know. Cocktails and tag us in all your cocktail photos. And we'll start with our first. And tell us which version you preferred. Actually, no, because I might not actually do two versions. Ah, fuck it. How are we doing, guys? Let us know. Fuck me. What's wrong with my voice? Don't require angle. All right, we got this. Bye.